हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू। फिर से आपके सामने प्रेजेंट हैं आज हम एवीएन की सीरीज़ को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए। और आज हमारे सामने प्रेजेंट हैं हमारे पास मिस्टर प्रताप जी, जो कि मेरे पास बेंगलोर से आए थे और आज ये इनकी सेकंड सिटिंग हो गई है। ठीक है, तो इनको जो एवीएन एवास्कुलर नेक्रोसिस ऑफ हिप जॉइंट जो हुआ था, तो सबसे पहले जानेंगे कैसे हुआ था, क्या क्या किया इन्होंने। प्रताप जी नमस्कार। तो कैसे हुआ था आपको एवीएन, सबसे पहले कैसे पता चला था?
इंग्लिश में कर ले.
हाँ इंग्लिश में बिल्कुल, डेफिनेटली वी विल स्टार्ट विद द इंग्लिश। ओके।
So I had an accident in 2010 for which they gave me steroids,
ओके
and from 2012 I've been having AVN.
ओके
And from 2012 to 2015 I was managing with exercise and everything. From 2015 I've started a different kind of Ayurveda, and now since last February I'm consulting you.
Okay, okay. So that means this is due to the steroid.
Steroids.
Okay, okay. So after that you have taken several treatments from the different hospitals, Ayurvedic hospitals. You came to me first time in the November.
No.
Okay. After completing first sitting, how much relief you have got?
After the first sitting and doing all the exercises, following diet, all medication, at least 15-20%. Here only I got 10-15% relief.
Okay.
And once I went home and continued exercise, I think at least 20-30% relief. At least I was feeling more strong.
Okay.
I was feeling that I can move without limping.
Okay. More confident also.
More confident.
And with less pain and with more range of motions. What are the things which you are not able to do at that time?
I think first and foremost I could not stand for a long time.
Okay.
I could stand maybe 10-15 minutes,
Okay.
and then I would struggle to walk. It used to take 20-30 seconds for me to walk.
Okay.
Now aram se I can stand for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, no problem.
No.
Also with walking, earlier I could not walk for more than 20 minutes,
Okay.
30 minutes.
Okay.
But recently whole day I was walking.
Okay.
I was visiting some cities, so I was just walking whole day, no pain, nothing.
No pain. That means there is no limit of walking. You can
Yeah,
walk.
I can walk.
Okay, you can walk. Okay. And now after the second sitting, you have taken the 7-day second sitting session here. How much relief you have get, and what are the changes you are feeling now?
I think a little bit of range of motion is increased. When I came for first sitting, it was less than 90.
Mm-hmm.
And when we checked recently, yesterday or today, we saw it was close to 90, which
Okay.
is good for me.
Okay.
And also, I feel I'm limping a lot less.
Okay.
Earlier, it was very clear that I was limping.
Mhm.
A lot of people used to ask me what happened.
Mhm.
Now, nobody even notices.
Okay. Okay.
So that is good.
That's a good point. Okay.
good.
Nobody can even notice how much limping is there. That's a very good point. Even nobody says what happened to you. It is also a very good thing because most of the time you have to explain each and everybody. That is too much embarrassing for most of the peoples. Okay. Next is what do you think about this treatment, and what is your next plan about this treatment?
I think the treatment is very good. It's effective because it is not only leaving anything on medicines. We also have to put effort. You are also doing a lot of efforts in the 7 days.
Okay.
I think it sets you on the right path, but then afterwards it is depending on us how much we follow the exercise, how sincerely we do it, how much effort we put in the exercise. I think that depends on us.
Yes.
But you are definitely putting people on the right track. After that, it's not in your control, it's in the patient's control.
That means he wants to say it is not only by the doctor, it also be maintained by the patients also. And in this condition, you have to put your efforts, 100% effort you have to give to fight against this disease. So friends, now we can see the X-ray. What are the changes are there? Now you can see. This is the X-ray. Now you can see the date. Date is 28/2/2020. That means not focusing properly. Now you can see the X-ray. This is from date 28/2/2020, last year in the February month. You can see lots of the osteophytes are there, and the surface is also rough, and space is also reduced. In this case, this point the notch is also too much damaged. Okay, this is on date 28/2020. After that, the patient came to me, Mr. Pratap, and this is the X-ray 21/11/2020, and now you can see the changes in the osteophytes. Surface is also smooth. somewhat difference is there. Actually, it is a very old avian case, and you can see the surface in this portion also, and the notch is clear, and the big osteophytes in this position is also reduced in comparison to this. In comparison to this, the notch is also reduced. With the reduction of this notch or big osteophytes, the range of motion is also increased. And after completing second sitting, the patient again came to us for the after completing first sitting, patient came to us for the second sitting. Now you can see the X-ray. This X-ray is from date 8/2/2021, and now you can see the space is much clear, notch is also clear, and very much improved space is also there. In this case, the range of motion is also increased, and in the second case, you can also see the surface is also clear here, but osteophytes is still now, and I think when the patient will do the regular exercise, after that it will also be improved. Okay, after all, this is the improvement of the patients after completing those 2 sittings. Okay friends, I think this video is very motivational to you, and this video is especially in English for those patients who are in the who are outside this India country, and people who are trying to taking any advice in the India, especially in the Ayurveda fields. I think this video is too much motivational for them. And till then, friends, like my channel, share my channel, and subscribe my channel, so that the latest information and notification you can get, and especially share this channel to your friends and other relatives, or even the patients who are living outside the India, so that they can get this knowledge. Okay friends, bye bye.